Well, here we are in Melbourne. Ryan and I have come for a few days to have a bit of a look around. And in this video we're going to show just some everyday things around Melbourne. It's a great city to visit. There's lots of culture, just lots of things happening in the street. And part of that is we come for the street art to have a look around the street art. So let's come for a walk with us and check out Melbourne. One of the most popular alleyways in Melbourne. Hi, buddy. How you going, buddy, right?
Are you good?
Yeah, good.
Tonight, to fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone, save tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. tomorrow comes to take me away.
You know that I got this. I got this, that I really got this. I got this, that I really got this. I got this, that I really got this. Who got this? You got this. I got it.
Well done.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, thank you so very much.
Oops.
Oh, thank you.
How long you been busking for?
Oh, over 10 years or so.
Have you?
Yeah, I'm 37 now, so it would have been mid-20s or so.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So is this your home city?
Sorry?
Is this Melbourne your home city?
Yeah, it is, yeah. So, yeah, and in Breck Street Mall for the last, I don't know, 5 years or so,
Yeah. How do you have to book a spot for a certain amount of time, do you? Or?
Yeah, so you audition first, and then there's a group of people. So us buskers, we go to a meeting, and random names are called out, and you choose a spot. So you choose a position, so a place, a time, and a day.
Good for you.
You know, hopefully you get the one, something in, and that's how it goes.
It's excellent.
Yeah, are you guys from Melbourne?
We're from Perth. We haven't been in Melbourne for a while because of all the other business.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did it about 6 years ago.
Nice. I think it was,
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure I saw you before.
Maybe.
Characters of Melbourne. Don't move. Well, it's Sunday And it's our last day. Oh, tomorrow we fly out and go back to Perth. It's going to be 38 today, so I think imagined that the CBD of Melbourne will be a bit quieter. But we thought I'd just sit here and look at a few trams. I thought we'd just sit here and look at a few trams. Some of them got some good art on it, so catch you next time.